We are here right now, walking. No, swimming. Sorry, swimming under the sea. Oh my God! There is a wow, a diver. Oh my God! See over there. Oh, what a nice one. And here. Look here. Oh, it's very nice. It's so nice under the water. What a nice ocean I have. Oh my God. See? How is the corals? Oh, the fish. What a beautiful fish. It's a giant fish. Oh my God. This is how ocean deep looks like. Wow. See that? Wow. Very nice. How nice to live in the ocean. Oh, Mr. Octopus is here. How are you? And how are you, Mr. Seahorse? Hi. Oh, so I'll show you how it looks like to be in the ocean. And now we're done. I already went out of the